In this video, I will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Shadow or ransom ransomware. My video will be for the educational purposes only. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and then I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. The ransomware reveals this ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. The ransomware actually appends this shadow extension to the file names. You should not pay the ransom, and you should not waste your money. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security application such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data would always be under the protection against ransomware or any other types of threats. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.